Hello, Sai Ram students. Okay, now hope you all are doing your given assignments and practicing all the sums. Okay, so today let us continue with our subject mathematics, and today we will be doing part 9 of this chapter. Now, okay, in the last class, students, we have studied about the addition and subtraction of whole numbers and fraction, correct? Where we studied that every whole number can be written as a fraction by writing 1 as the denominator. So today let us continue with addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. Now let us start with that. Now before that, remember students that we can add or subtract mixed fractions by either converting them to like fractions and then adding or subtracting them. And the second method is by adding or subtracting the whole numbers and fractions separately. Okay, so let us just see both the methods, whereas you can follow any one method whichever you find comfortable with. Now let us start with an example here. Okay, here 4 whole 3 upon 5 and 3 whole 2 upon 7. You have to add it. Okay. Now the first thing what I told is either to convert the fraction to a like fraction. So before we start with, now let us first convert this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Okay. So here I'll start with 4 whole 3 upon 5. I will take this fraction first, that is 5 into 4 plus 3, that is 23 upon 5. So your first fraction is 23 upon 5. When we convert the second fraction, 7 into 3 plus 2, that is 7 3s is 21, plus 2, that is 23 upon 7. So your second fraction, when you convert it into improper fraction, it is 23 upon 7. Now what is the second step? You all know when we add, we have to take the LCM of the denominators to make it into like fraction. Now as the number 5 and 7 both are prime numbers, so the LCM of 5 and 7 is the product of the two numbers, that is 35. So first let us take this fraction 23 upon 25 and make it into a like fraction. Okay. Now 23 upon 25 . Now when 5, if you have to make the denominator 35, 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Same with the numerator also will be multiplied by 7. 5 7s is 35. So 23 into 7 will give you 161 upon 35. Same way, let us take the second fraction. 23 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 35. Now 7 5s is 35. Correct? Same with the numerator also will be multiplied by 5. So 23 into 5 is 150. So we have made both the fractions like fractions by making the denominator same, that is 35. Now what is the next step is? We can directly add, that is 161 upon 35 plus 115 upon 35. Yes. Now when you add these two numbers, that is 161 plus 115, you will get the answer as 276 upon 35. Now this is an improper fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. So you will divide this 276 by 35. Now when you divide 276 by 35 and you write it as a mixed fraction, your quotient will be 7 whole 31 upon 35. So you get the answer as 7 whole 31 upon 35. So this is the first method where you convert the fraction to a like fraction and then add both the fractions. Okay. Now your second method is, let us see the another alternate method where you have to first add the whole numbers. Okay. So let us first add the whole numbers. Now your whole number is 4 and 3. Yes. Now here 4 plus 3. First you will add 4 plus 3. And then you will take these two fractions, that is 3 upon 5 and then 2 upon 7. You'll add the fractions together. Yes. Now 4 upon 3 is equal to 7. This you will keep as it is. So now let us start with these fractions, that is 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 7. Now again here you will have to make the denominator, that is you have to make these fractions like fractions. You have to take the LCM of this. So again 5 and 7 is a prime number. So your LCM will be the product of these two numbers. So your LCM is 35. So let us now take the first fraction, 3 upon 5 is equal to something upon 35. That means 5 into multiplied by 7 is 35. Same way numerator also you will multiply by 7. So your first fraction will be 21 upon 35. Coming to the second fraction, 2 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 35. Now 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Same way 2 also should be multiplied by 5. That will give you 10 upon 35. Now you have finished with this, that is you have made both the fractions like fractions. Yes. Now what you will do is you will add it. So 21 plus 10 upon 35, that is equal to 21 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. That will give you 31 upon 35. So this you have got a proper fraction. Okay, now your whole number when you added was 7. So you can directly write 7 plus 31 upon 35 is equal to 7 whole 31 upon 35. So any method you can follow, whichever you are finding comfortable with. Yes, the first method by taking the LCM and making it into like fractions and then adding it. And the second method is where you add the whole numbers first and then add the fractions. Now you can just have a look at the slide here where we have given you the, I have solved the whole sum, that is 4 3 upon 5 with the first method where you first converted into improper fraction, the first one. Second one you converted into improper. Then you changed both the fractions to like fractions, that is by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by a number which comes to a denominator as 35. Again here 23 upon 7, 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Same way when you multiply it by the numerator you will get 115 upon 35. So 161 plus 115 will give you 276 upon 35. So to convert it into a mixed fraction, when you divide 276 by 35, you will get the answer as 7 whole 31 upon 35. Whereas 7 is your quotient, 31 is your remainder and 35 is your divisor. Yes. So in the second slide, I have shown you the second method where you add the whole numbers first, that is 4 plus 3. The whole numbers, this and this you have added together. Then we have taken the fractions, that is 3 upon 5 and then 2 upon 7. Here we have added it separately. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Then when you add 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7, you make the denominators, that is by taking the LCM, you get the denominator as 35. So make it into like fractions. So we got 3 upon 5 is equal to 21 upon 35 and 2 upon 7 is equal to 10 upon 35. Then add both the numerators together, you will get the answer as 31 upon 35. So 7 plus 31 upon 35 will, you can write it together. You will write it as 7 whole 31 upon 35. So whichever method you follow, you will get the same answer. Okay. So let us continue with the exercise sums. Exercise 4.4. Add the following fractions and write the sum as mixed fraction. That is, after adding, you have to write the sum as mixed fraction. Okay. So let us start with the first sum. 2 whole 3 upon 5 plus 2 whole 4 upon 7. Okay, now here both the whole numbers are same. That is 2 and 2. Okay, so first let us start with the first method. That is by making the fractions like fractions. So now let us first convert this into improper fractions. So when you convert this into improper fractions, 5 into 2, that is 10, plus 3, that is 13 upon 5. Your first fraction is 13 upon 5, plus, let us convert this, 7 2s are 14, yes, plus 4, that is 18 upon 7. Okay, now you have got the denominator as 5 and 7. Okay, prime numbers. So you can directly write the LCM as 35. Even if you find the LCM of 5 and 7, you will get the answer as 35. So when you have to make the first fraction, that is 13 upon 5 is equal to something upon 35. So that means denominator, when you multiply it by 7, you get 35. Same way numerator also you will multiply it by 7. So 13 sevens is 91 upon 35. Same way let us take the second fraction, that is 18 upon 7. So 18 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 35. That means 7 5s is 35. Same way numerator also you will multiply it by 5. So you will get the answer as 90 upon 35. Now both the denominators you have made it same, that is 35. Now add both the fractions, that is 91 upon 35 plus 90 upon 35. So your answer will be, that is 91 plus 90, you will get the answer as 181 upon 35. Now improper fraction, your question says that write the sum as mixed fraction. So when you divide this 181 by 35, you will get the answer as 5 whole 6 upon 35. Okay, so first convert the fractions to like fractions and then add it and then change it into mixed fraction. Now let us see the second method, which I already told you. You have to add the whole numbers first, that is 2 plus 2. Okay, so you will add this whole numbers 2 plus 2. Then add the fractions, plus 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 7. This, when you add the whole numbers, this whole number when you add 2 plus 2, 4, you will keep it as it is. First change this fractions to like fractions. Now 3 upon 5, again the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So change this 3 upon 5 is equal to, multiplied by 7 will give you 35. Yes. The same way numerator also you multiply it by 7, that will give you 21 upon 35. Okay. Now same way with the second fraction, 4 upon 7 is equal to dash upon 35. So this, if you multiply it by 5, you will get 35. Same way numerator also you will multiply it by 5, you will get it as 20 upon 35. Now add these two fractions, that is 21 upon 35 plus 20 upon 35. So when you add 21 upon 35 plus 20, put it together, you will get the answer as 41 upon 35. Now what you have to do is you have to divide this number, that is 41, by 35. When you will get the answer as 6 upon 35. Now here you have got 1 whole 6 upon 5. Now when we added this 2 plus 2, 4, here also this 4 we have to take. So add this 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 will give you 5 as the answer, whole number. So this fraction, then you can write it as 5. You added the whole numbers, 4 plus 1, you got 5 as a whole number, and write the fraction as 6 upon 35. So your final answer is 5 whole 6 upon 35. So you can follow any method whichever you find easy. Okay. So in this slide I have given you the first method, that is where you find the LCM. That is, first you converted this into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18 upon 7. Then you found the LCM of 5 and 7, that is 35. And then convert this fraction into like fractions. The first fraction 13 upon 5, you will multiply it by 7. You will get the answer as 91 upon 35. And 18 upon 7, when you convert it into like fraction, that is you multiply it by 5, both the numerator and the denominator, you get the fraction 18 upon 7 is equal to 90 upon 35. Now both the denominators are same, so you can add 90 plus 91, which will give you 181 upon 35. And when you divide this 181 divided by 35 to make it into a mixed fraction, you will get the answer as 5 whole 6 upon 35. So this is the first method how you have to add it, that is by making the fractions like fractions and then adding it. Okay. Now same way with the second method, I have already shown you. Here 2 plus 2, when you add the whole numbers first, 2 plus 2 whole numbers, then take the fractions 3 upon 5 plus 4 upon 7. Okay. So when you add this, you have to first find the LCM of 5 and 7, that is 35, and then make the fractions like fractions, that is here 5 into 7 is 35. Same way 3 into 7, when you multiply you will get the answer as 21. 5 7s are 35 and 3 into 7 is 21. Okay. So this 4 we will add it along with the whole number at the end. Okay. Now next fraction, that is 4 upon 7 into 35. This you have multiplied it by 5. So this also when you multiply it by 5, you will get the answer as 4 5s are, that is 20 upon 35. Now add 21 upon 35 plus 20 upon 35. You will get the answer as 41 upon 35. And when you divide this 41 by 35, you will get the answer as 1 whole 6 upon 35. Now this one, it has to be added with the whole numbers which we added at the end, that is both 2 plus 2 where we added. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, and your final answer when you write 5 whole is 6 upon 35. Okay, so go step by step very slowly, understand each and every step and then copy down the sum. Coming to the next sum. Okay, 3 whole 5 upon 9 plus 1 whole 7 upon 9. Now here children, the denominators are same. Okay, so first what we'll do is make it into improper fractions. 9 7s are 27 plus 5, that is 32 upon 9, and here 9 into 1 9 plus 7, that is 16 upon 9. So here as the denominators are same, you can directly add the numerators, that is 32 plus 16, which will give you 48 upon 9. Okay, now let us reduce this 48 upon 9 to its lowest term by taking out the prime factors of 48 and 9. Now the prime factor of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and the prime factor of 9 is 3 into 3. Now just cancel the common factor. So your final answer is, that is 2 into 2 to 2 into 2, that is 16 upon 3. Now 16 upon 3, when you further divide and write it as a mixed number, you will write it as 16 divided by 3. You will get the answer as 5 whole 1 upon 3. Okay. Now same sum, we'll solve it in another method. Now here 3 whole 5 upon 9 plus 1 whole 7 upon 9. First you will add the whole numbers, that is 3 plus 1. And then we will take the fraction 5 upon 9 plus 7 upon 9. Now as the denominators are same here, we will add, that is 5 plus 7, that is 12 upon 9. So 12 upon 9, when you further divide it and write it as a mixed fraction, you will get this as 1 3 upon 9. Now 3 and 9 can be further reduced. So with this 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So your final, that is, will be 1 whole 1 upon 3. Now this one has to be added with this whole number, that is 4. So 4 plus 1 will give you 5, and this fraction 1 upon 3 you will keep as it is. So your answer is 5 whole 1 upon 3. Okay. So 4 plus 1, 1 upon 3 will give you 4 plus 1, that is 5 whole 1 upon 3. Okay. Now same way, let us start with the subtraction sums. Okay, now we have to subtract 2 whole 7 upon 9 from 3 whole 2 upon 5. That means you will write it as here 3 whole 2 upon 5 has to be subtract, that is 3 whole 2 upon 5 minus 2 whole 7 upon 9. Now the first thing what you have to do is convert this into improper fraction. Now 5 3s is 15 plus 2, that is 17 upon 5, and your second fraction 9 2s are 18 plus 7, that is 25 upon 9. Now 5 and 9, take the LCM of 5 and 9. You will get the LCM of 5 and 9 as 45. So convert this first fraction. 5 is dash upon 45. 5 9s is 45. Numerator also to be multiplied by 9. So you will get the answer as 153 upon 45. Now same way, take the second fraction. 25 upon 9. Now you all know how to take the LCM. Okay. So I'm just writing the LCM here. 25 upon 9 is equal to dash upon 45. So this has to be multiplied by 5. That means 25 also is multiplied by 5. Now 25 into 5 is 125 upon 45. Now as the denominators are same, you can directly subtract it. So you will subtract 153 minus 125 upon 45. So 153 minus 125 is 28 upon 45. So it is a proper fraction. So no need to convert it. You can write the answer as it is. Okay. Okay, so here is the sum for you on the slide, which I have solved it. We have first changed it into improper fraction, 17 upon 5 and then 25 upon 9. Then we have taken the LCM, that is 5 and 9 ka LCM. When we take, you will get the LCM as 45. 5 ones are 5, 9 it is as it is, 3 3s are 9, and 3 ones are 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are is 45. Then change the fraction to like fractions by making the denominator same. Then subtract it, and then in the end, will subtract, you will get the answer as 28 upon 45. So let us solve some exercise sums from 4.4. Yes, find the difference and write it as mixed fractions. Now here your sum is 3 whole 4 upon 7 minus 1 whole 3 upon 5. Okay, now here has the denominators as different. First change it into improper fractions. 7 3s are 21 plus 4, that is 25 upon 7, minus 5 1s are 5 plus 3, that is 8 upon 5. Now 7 and 5 both are prime numbers, so your LCM is the product of two numbers, that is 7 5s are 35. Now change this 25 upon 7 into a like fraction upon 35. That means you'll multiply this by 5, 25 also by 5. Okay, so your answer is 125 upon 35. Same way with the second fraction, that is 8 upon 5 is equal to dash upon 35. This you have multiplied by 7. Numerator also to be multiplied by 7. 7 8s is 56. Now subtract 125 minus 56 upon 35. So that will give you 67 upon 35. Now as it is an improper, you have to write it as a mixed fraction. So divide this 67 by 35. You will get the answer as 134 upon 35. 1 whole 34 upon 35. Okay, so just check your answer, solve it. 25 upon 7 minus 8 upon 5. So we will convert into LCM is 7 is 35, which you already done. Then 25 upon 7 is equal to 125 upon 35. And then 8 upon 5 is equal to 56 upon 35. Then 125 minus 56 upon 35, which will give you 69 upon 35. And when you divide the 69 by 35, you will get the answer as 1 whole 34 upon 35. Okay. Yes, coming to the next sum. 4 whole 9 upon 11 minus 3 whole 5 upon 11. Now here the denominators are same, so you can directly subtract it, or you can convert it into like fraction and then subtract it. So when you 11 4s is 44, 44 plus 9 is 53 upon 11. Now 11 3s are 33 plus 5, that is 38 upon 11. Now 53 minus 38 is 15 upon 11, and when you just divide 15 by 11, you will get the answer as 1 whole 4 upon 11. Okay, so when you divide this 15 by 11, you will get the answer as 1 whole 4 upon 11. So that is your final answer. Now based on this addition and subtraction of mixed fraction, home assignment for you, which you have to do it in your homework part. Solve and write the sum as mixed fraction 1 whole 2 upon 5 plus 1 whole 3 upon 4. Add it and write the sum as mixed fraction. And here 2 whole 4 upon 5 minus 2 whole 1 upon 5. So here you have to solve it and write the difference as mixed fraction. Whatever the answer you are getting, you will write it in a mixed fraction. Okay. So that's all for today. So meet you in the next class. Thank you, children.